Introduction of printing equipment. We choose this set of screen printing machine with automatic discharge manipulator for our proofing equipment today. The maximum printing area of the screen printing machine is 500 × 800 mm. Then the working surface of this screen printing machine is 600 × 900 mm. This position of the manipulator is adjustable. The left and right rows can be adjusted through this touch screen. Then go to the current position, screen plate, scraper, positioning clamp, etc. And then we need a mesh board. Just lay the pattern on it, scraper and ring knife. This is a printing scraper. It's for the scraper. This is a ring knife. It's for scraping ink. And then the clips are used to hold the two scrapers. There are 4 scraper clips in total, 3 Allen wrenches and 3 locator stickers. Now let's start doing it. Let's just set up the position of this scraper. We're gonna put the mesh on now. Don't lock it up yet, because we also need to adjust the position of the printing plate, then fix the position a little bit. Take out the product and place it on the positioned printing surface. Then turn on the blower and open the suction. At this time, we can bring down the screen plate. Position the screen plate as accurately as possible. You can see that there is a gap between the screen plate and the printing table. Because screen printing is the need for mesh spacing, there must be a gap under the screen plate. Now let's determine the print head's itinerary. Because the large pattern on the right doesn't need to be printed, we need to cover the patterns that don't need to be printed. We just need to print this little pattern, so we need to adjust the left and right stroke of this scraper. Next, we'll install the scraper. In order to prevent the cream plate installed bad, we need to lower this print head first. Then click the toggle button on the control panel. Switch this spatula down. This is the state of the lowest position of the scraper. We need to see if the scraper will touch the screen plate when it is in the lowest position. Now you can see that it won't touch the screen. Well, then we can just put it on. Get this squeegee holder. Loosen the locking screws. Just put it on. Tighten the fixing screws and clamp the positioning clips. And then we switch the scrapers again. Switch back to the ink knife. We are going to install this ink knife. Let's look at the position of the print. As close to this side as you can. Now the main parts of the machine have been installed.